In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize work in Jira using reports, a handy feature for tracking progress and productivity. Whether you're managing a team or just keeping tabs on your own tasks, visual aids can make a significant difference in understanding workflows, and Jira offers an excellent way to achieve this through its reports feature. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Jira project, the one you specifically want to create visualizations for. Think of this as the central hub for all the work that's been going on. Once you're there, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll see the View tabs. These tabs are like your main menu, providing access to different features and options within your project. Among these options, you'll need to select the Report tab. It may not always be visible right from the get-go, especially if you're accessing the project for the first time or if the setup has been customized differently. If you don't immediately see the Report tab, don't worry. You'll need to add it manually, and I'll guide you through this process. Begin by clicking on the little plus icon you'll see on the View tabs. This icon serves as a gateway to a range of optional features you can add to customize your view. From the list of features that appear, select Reports, and then click on Add to Navigation. This little action gears up your project to offer you insightful data visualization options. With the Reports tab now created and added, it's time to dive into the interesting part, visualizing your data. Head over to the Reports View tab that you've just set up. Here, you'll find a selection of different diagram types. This variety allows you to choose how you'd like to visualize your work, based on what will be most useful for you or your team. The choices might include different chart styles that can highlight aspects like workload distribution, progress tracking, or other key performance indicators relevant to your tasks and objectives. At this stage, it's simply a matter of clicking on the diagram type you want to use. Once selected, Jira will quickly generate your chosen report, providing a visual aid that can simplify complex data and offer insights at a glance. And just like that, you've created a visual representation of your work that you can utilize to improve understanding, facilitate decision-making, and track performance over time. So, there you have it, a straightforward approach to visualizing work in Jira using reports. It's a powerful tool to enhance how you and your team manage projects, making your workflow not just easier to track, but also more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.